guys. This is my first vlog. It's that girl Quinita Hart. And I'm vlogging today because today is a special day. I am going to get me a car. Yes, I'm going to get me a car. I got my car stolen in August of 23. So it's been a while since I've not had a car, and I stepped out on faith. I applied for a loan and God came through, so I'm so excited about that. I just got finished getting a car seat out my husband's car. So I just woke up. I'm about to take my vitamins. I got some tea because I'm starting to feel like I'm under the weather. So I'm gonna take my vitamins, drink some tea, and I'm waiting for my mom to get here. My mom will get here probably around like 10:30. So I'm gonna wait for that, and I need to set up this stuff for my daughter. My daughter should be waking up soon, and yeah, it's 9 o'clock. It's 9:06 to be exact, so I had to run up them steps. So I'm taking you guys with me, and let me just get my stuff together, and I will see you guys very quickly. So these are the vitamins that I take. I take the Mary Ruth liquid morning multivitamin, and then I also take a shot of chlorophyll. And when I sweat, baby, I don't stink. My breath like barely stinks anymore, honestly. And then Simply Orange, I just like take it down with Simply Orange because it has like a tangy taste to this, and I don't like that, so I just take it down with some orange juice. Taking those vitamins. But it's so good for you. Yeah. So I'm about to film a TikTok real quick. Like I'll get ready with me. Follow me on TikTok. I'll have it somewhere on the screen. And I will see you guys in a little bit.
That's why she got lipstick on. This girl crazy.
I got to look good for the camera.
I
so
go
guys,
this way.
You can go this way or you can go straight.
I go this way. This is where I go. And you want me back out into the street where I usually go?
What street?
I don't like
this is my fit. I just got on a regular t-shirt. I got on some tights and these slipper shoes that my mom gave me. That it comes in handy. So we're on our way to go get my car, and I'm so excited. So this is my face. I just did like a quick, like this is the naturalist that is gonna get with me in makeup. I just have on literally like e.l.f. Halo Glow, concealer, setting powder, bronzer, and blush. That's it. No. That way. So I'm gonna see you guys when we get there. I'm so excited. So I just got here. I'm like super duper nervous. I'm waiting for the guy to come and, you know, the salesperson or whatever. So yeah, it's happening. So we was literally in the car place from 10 something this morning, like 11 o'clock. It's 3:11. That's how long it took. Yes, mommy. It took so long, but I got the car. I'm gonna show you guys the car when I parked at the house. But I got me an SUV. That's what I wanted, and I was not settling for less. Like, I'm gonna tell you about that in like when I get home or whatever. It's a mess out here. It's snowing, it's icy, it's raining, it's a mess. So let me just get home and everything and get settled, and then I'm gonna see you guys later. Look, I got the water on my glasses. So I've had a long day, and I'm at the end of my night. I am about to get in the shower, and then I'm about to go to bed. Like, we was in a house, our power went out. I'm assuming because like it was like a mess outside. Like, it was raining, it was snowing, it was snowing, but it was like ice coming down. So I'm guessing like that kind of interfered with the electric, and our electric like halfway went out. Like, some lights were still on in our apartment, but like it wasn't a strong power to where though like our heaters couldn't come on, like things like that. So I'm just burnt out. I'm about to get in the shower. I'm about to take my makeup off real quick, get in the shower, and I'm about to lay down. I probably play a couple of games, and like my husband bought a Nintendo Switch. So they have Donkey Kong Country, Super Mario Brothers, Super Mario World. So I'm gonna play that, and then I'm gonna go to bed. I'm excited about that, to end my night off. My car, I'm gonna show you my car tomorrow when I leave out to go into the house of the Lord, because today is Saturday, so tomorrow's Sunday. So I'm going to show you my car tomorrow when I leave out to go to church and everything like that. So I will see you guys tomorrow, and we're gonna rock out from there. Good morning, guys. I'm so tired. How about I was up? I told you I was going to bed, and I did. I did my daughter's hair, and I started to play the Nintendo Switch, and yo, I was playing that at least for like over an hour. I had like 2 game overs. But anyway, I didn't go to bed until like 12. So I'm tired. I was like, oh my god, it's 12 o'clock. I need to go to bed. Like, so it's like 6:15 in the morning. I'm about to brush my teeth, wash my face, and go and put on some light makeup. So I'm gonna see you guys when I'm putting on some light makeup. So a cold, guys, is trying to get me. A cold is trying to get me, and I'm trying to fight it. I gargle like every night with peroxide and mouthwash, just so the peroxide can kill the bacteria that's in my throat, because that's really like the issue. The scratchy nose. I got a little like congestion in my nose. You can hear it, but in my throat, and I hate that for me so bad. I hate it. I hate being sick. I really do. But I feel like it's because the weather has been like fluctuating, you know. The weather has been fluctuating so bad that I think it's just getting to the best of me. And I try to wear a coat. Even when it get warm, I try to wear a coat. But it causes me to sweat. It's just a lot. I live on the East Coast, so any of y'all living on the West Coast, y'all ain't got to worry about this. At least to my knowledge, y'all don't. I'm running out of my good molecules. That was my daughter. I'm so sick about it too. I'm like tilting the bottle. I refuse to. Oh my God, come on, come on. They got me an Ulta credit card. Cha-ching, okay. I'm going right to Ulta and getting me. I'm gonna get the big one. Cause I got the small one just to test it out. This is like my holy grail. And it's gone. I wonder if it can pour out. I wonder. Oh, it does. It does. So I'm gonna just be tilting the bottle then. Okay, let me save that for tonight. I love that stuff. Like, it has been helping my skin as well. Get so much more stuff, y'all. I ran out of my Dr. Dennis Gross wipes. I ran out of those. I ran out of my Good Molecules. I wanna get another one of these. I wanna get another toner. I don't need another Nivea cream. My daughter just woke up. That girl, if she don't feel you in that bed, underneath my makeup, I like to use the hyaluronic acid. Cosrx is really good for underneath my makeup. It keeps my skin really hydrated. Nivea is, I think it's just a little bit too heavy. Or you could just, I could just put less Nivea on, but I wanted to put on the Cosrx, like, inside. Like, it's, she's loved. She's loved. But she's good to go. I gotta get some Morphe brushes. Yeah, I gotta get some Morphe brushes. I gotta get another eyebrow thing from Morphe. It's a couple of stuff that I gotta get. Like, I got a haul coming up, y'all. I got a haul coming up. So I just got done my makeup, and I think I'm gonna post that video on TikTok. I'm gonna just do like music over it, because I didn't really talk much, so I'm just not gonna do that. Yeah, I'm about to get dressed. I'm actually about to call my husband, see where he's at. I'm about to get dressed, and then I'm gonna show you guys my outfit. But my phone is on a charger, so I have to charge up my phone. But I'm gonna finish putting everything on, and I'm gonna show you guys the outfit before I leave out. So I'll be right back. Hello guys, so I'm at church.
It's gonna be more than
You praying? Okay, so I'm at church and everything. I'm gonna show you guys my outfit after church. I woke up mad early, did my makeup and everything, and still left out late. So typical me. So we are actually about to go up in 8 minutes, and today is my first Sunday that I'm reading the announcements. I joined another ministry. I'm on the praise and worship ministry, and I'm also now on the announcements ministry. So this is my first Sunday to reading it. It's my first Sunday reading it. So I'm excited for that. So I will see you guys in a little bit. I'll see you guys in a little bit when I'm done.
See my tooth?
Guys, so this
So I have on my regular jacket, but I got on my dress, full body dress. These are my shoes. I got on my Virgo necklace. I shouldn't be wearing that at the church, but whatever. I got on my Virgo necklace. Look at my ashy hands. This is my ring. It says more self-love, and then another fake ring. Hello. And then we got on some minimalistic earrings, and this is the face. Y'all see the face when it was fresh. So this is my car. Look, I got rhinestones. Don't pay attention to my hole. This is my baby. This is my car. This is my car. Isn't she cute? She's so nice. I'm so grateful. I'm so grateful for this car. God truly blessed me. And I'm going to stand on the rooftops and profess it, okay? Period. Yes.
Going for y'all. I can't keep going to the food. Food it up.
I'm sorry, man. I'm hungry.
So, yeah.
I'm stuffing on it. Look at all her stuff. Ooh, she got the heart glasses. Got the crowns or tiaras. She got the bag. Look at the cookies. But turn 3. Oh, look at this candle. It's so cute. Oh my god. So cute. So cute. The Barbie stuff, the Barbie bag with the treats inside. Oh my gosh. One thing my sister-in-law gonna do, she's gonna decorate, honey. She's gonna decorate. She's gonna decorate. And again, she's gonna decorate. Pizza, chicken, french fries. Okay. Look, they go to birthday girl. They go my baby. The birthday girl. Say hi, Kylie.
Kelly.
Happy birthday! You see the last of the NFL, right? So that's one of the...
Come here. It's one in the other room.
Alright, I'm filling it up. I'm trying to figure out where the
I think you're supposed to have shoes on with you.
Okay, I ain't got no shoes on.
Which one is...
Y'all baby doll. The other one is
Alright, one is forward, which one is back?
baby doll.
The one keeps going back. It's like...
I think I left him in there. Sai, come here, Sai. That's not for you. Get out of the mouth. You go get yourself. No, get that's get the dog, baby.
Look at the cake. My collie. What? Look at my collie. What y'all? Y'all just don't be caring. Yara.
Alright, good job.
Ooh, but that's not your cake. I'm just gonna take that down.
Yeah, get her.
Please get her.
Go ahead, show her. Ready to sing happy birthday?
Ready? Everybody on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Kylie. Happy birthday to you. Yay! Hey!
We are at, I am at the end of my night. It was a great day. A really, really great day. I'm so tired. I'm so tired. It's like 10 something. And as you can see in my eyes, I'm tired. I am going to end this vlog here. I hope that you guys enjoyed my beautiful weekend. I encourage you guys to keep going. Whatever you want, whatever you need, keep going. God is a provider, and he will come through. He will provide for you. So, yeah, as he has came through for me and provided for me, he will do the same for you. And I bet everything. I put my life on that. I love you guys. Comment, share, subscribe. Like, if you're not a part of the Heartbeats, become a part of the Heartbeats. Weekly vlogs will be on Sunday and Wednesday. Yeah, so I love you guys, and I will see you guys Sunday. I'm gonna probably upload this on Wednesday. So Sunday, I will see you guys on Sunday. I love you guys. You guys have a beautiful day. A beautiful day, beautiful night, whenever you're watching this. And I will see you guys in my next vlog.